Hi, this is Paul Harris at InfoComm 2023, and I'm with Aurora Multimedia. And I'm here to show you the latest in the VPX series. So this is our latest 1 gig AV over IP. So one of the exciting things we're showing at the show is we've made the latest firmware do 0 frame latency. And that's what you're seeing on this test. Now, interestingly enough, I noticed it looks like a weird test pattern. That's going to be another video for a TPG-8K test generator analyzer, which has the ability to measure things, but our new one will do 1.78 milliseconds. Yeah, the screen doesn't show that because it's including the latency of the network switch 2 into it, which is the point of the generator, which you're going to have to watch that other video to find out. So, getting back to this. So what's new for InfoComm with our VPX series? So first off, we're doing the new LT version as soon as I find it, which is right here. LT is just a stripped down version of our Pro version. It's limited to 4K 30, 444, but great image quality, 0 frame latency, could do seamless switching as well. It has electronic programming guide on it and up to 40p previewing on it. It could do video all modes as well as image rotation. So that is the VPX Lite. The Pro, which some of you are, actually not some, a lot of you are already using, is 4K 60, 444 capable, all the same features of the LT, but it's got 2 HDMI inputs and it could do previewing at 720p 30 frames, so no more of those little tiles that work at 1 frame per second. We actually have a full high def preview section, so haha, all you other people who can't do that. So, so anyway, now what we're showing new here is our new wall plate. So we already had a transmitter wall plate, but we like worlds first, and this is the new transceiver wall plate at 4K 60 444, and it has an HDMI and a USB-C on it that takes in video and data as well. There's your output in case you reverse directions and turn it into a decoder because it is a transceiver. To be really clever, we put a line in and line out on the back of it so you can put another wall plate over there, put XLRs on it, pull it back into the system because all these have soft Dante in it so that we don't have to worry about chipsets for Dante. So that is the new wall plate. And then to add more to it, we are showing today the VPX UC1. Everything that the Pro does, this does, except we added in an 8-core engine into this that does Android 12 with a 6-top NPU. What does 6-top NPU mean? Well, it doesn't matter what it means. It means it's really cool, but no, at the end of the day, it will do AI, and it will do very powerful AI. So how does this work? Well, one, since it's got the Android, it will run our control system, and on top of that, it will also allow you to put in Microsoft 365. You can also do Teams, Zoom, whatever you load into it, it's Android, and you can load whatever you want into it. This thing is powerful enough to play video games with no problem, and it's got dual outputs, and they're both 8K capable. So even though the stream is 4K 60, you can still do up to 8K resolution. So in conference rooms, it's really good for unified communications. For digital signage, remember that AI processor I was telling you about? We're going to have an AI feature which you will be able to take a 4K camera, aim it at the area, and then it will people count, age predict, gender predict, ethnicity predict, as well as emotion predict. Then you could play an ad based on what is in front of it rather than just playing any old ad and keep track of it. So it becomes the ultimate digital signage player on steroids, so it's pumped up type of display device. So that is the VPX UC1 Ultra, and that's another part of our 1 gig AV over IP line, setting the bar really high for everybody to try to top us on that one. So anyway, really cool stuff. Go see it at auroramm.com and you can find out more about it.